This is for like nurse practitioners. Thank you so much, Jason. There is a website that you can go on and upload all of your information, and this is for the nurses. You know, you upload all your information, including your certifications, your DEA, NPI, all of those information. And you know, once you do that, it what was that? Oh, I think I put a video up on that as well. It's called CAQH. That's the website. You go ahead and sign up on that website. You upload all of your information on that website. And so for example, you go out to do an application for a job, you know, a lot of times, sometimes we might find out that we do applications and companies don't reach out to you because that website, if persons already uploaded their information, that's the first place employers are going to go to get information about you, and they can decide whether or not you're somebody that they're going to be working with or they're going to be hiring from just viewing your credentials from there. So if they realize that you already have your, you know, your NPI, if you have a DEA, if you have your malpractice insurance, your the required certifications to work, if they say they want you to start tomorrow or the next, you know, then based on the information that you upload on that website, it's ready. They will just decide to go with you rather than with somebody else who has no information ready. So if you're a nurse here, just go ahead and look up that information, save it, do a bookmark or something. So that way, you know, by the time you finish your program, you can always go ahead and start uploading your information there. All right, Jason Love says you're welcome. Thank you for allowing me into your session. No problem, Jason Love. This is um open for everyone. Just go ahead and share it on your channel or on your WhatsApp so other persons can see the information and check in as well. All right. Hi, Slayer Phil. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right. Jason Love says, well, like a stone, I'm rolling on G. Continue to grow, shine, elevating, and getting your blessing. Thank you so much. And same to you. Same to you. Thank you so much, Riley, for tuning in. Thank you. How are you guys doing? Remember to double tap the screen as you go along. Thank you so much, Slayer Fail, for saying that. All right. Where are you guys from? Yeah, you can just go ahead and put where you're from on in the comment section here when you get a chance. Do you guys have any questions that you want to ask? I know you guys are passing through. A lot of you are passing through, and I do appreciate you taking the time out. Have you guys had dinner already? I know it's probably late. What time is it? Oh my word. It is 7:30. Have you guys had dinner? Yeah, so I had dinner already. It's after 7. I'm gonna end the live. What city am I holding down? I am in the Dallas-Fort Worth area in Texas. All right. That's where I'm holding down for now. Where are you from, Jason? Have you been to Texas here? If you're not. All right. I remember I share a lot of videos, you know. Just go ahead and check out some of the videos on the channel when you guys get a chance, okay? And I also have this oh, it's after 4 in Los Angeles. Okay, okay. How is the are you being affected by the fire right now, Jason? Yeah, I realize that there's a lot of persons, you know, with that fire out there. It's awful. It's awful, awful. Just make sure you guys are wearing masks and, you know, trying to make sure you're not inhaling too much of that smoke if you're exposed to it down that side. But yeah, so I am gonna run. I'm gonna try to ride a bicycle for a minute or two. I know I did say that, this year is supposed to be the year where we're gonna be going into the gym for persons who have, they didn't meet their 2024 resolution when they talk about going into the gym. And I said that, we turn this thing into working out from home, and some of us are not that motivated to do that. And so, but either way, yeah, I'm gonna be going to ride my bicycle shortly and start from there. Small steps, baby steps. So, yes, you've been to Houston. Okay, no, you're not affected. It seems to be only affecting the super rich. Oh Lord. Uh-oh. Well, my prayers go out for those rich folks down there and the poor ones too, because I'm sure persons are still, you still have some homeless folks down that side, hanging out amongst the rich. So I know they're being affected, with everything that's going on. So we just have to remember them in our prayers as we go along. Scott says healthcare seasonal this year. Healthcare seasonal this year. Okay. Hi, Zeta. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right. So we just have to make sure we're sending up a prayer for those people down there. All right. Exercise. Yeah, I'm gonna exercise. I'm gonna ride my bicycle. Like yesterday, I was riding my bicycle. The day before, I was riding my bicycle. I get up in the morning, was riding my bicycle. So guess what? Yeah, even if it means 30 minutes, even if it means 30 minutes, I'm gonna be doing it until I'm able to do like the full 1 hour class. Jason Love says that's right. Start with where you're at. I'm not discriminating, love. Okay, no, I don't think so. No, just speaking the truth. Yeah, most of the time, the wildfire starts up that side, so that's fine. All right, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm trying to see if I can drop what I want to drop 20 pounds. 20 pounds for the summer. So I want you guys to cheer me on. All right. Cheer me on as I go along on this journey. It's very hard, especially when you haven't exercised for a while. It's very hard, restarting. Because I tell you, when I start riding for 5 minutes, I feel like I'm short of breath. Yeah, man. So I need to kind of take baby steps and go. Um, So Jason Love says those frames are custom fit just for you. You're wearing them right. Thank you. No. So I got these at Lens Crafters. Yeah. So there are most of my glasses are their sunglasses that I have them put my prescriptions in. So, and then it transitions. So, so that way I don't have to be switching out between. And I love them. The thing with Lens Crafters though, like I love their glasses because I don't have to do much. Once I get my glasses, I don't have to do any adjustments or anything. Nothing not squeezing me around the side. It just sits on my face perfectly fine. So I just always work with them. I wouldn't switch them for anybody else, honestly. Their glasses just work out fine for me. I don't need to do anything with it. All right. Hi, Amza. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you doing? What's the time in India? Sudarsan, welcome to the channel. Jason Love says you can do it. Kind of change your diet. I know I have to be changing my diet. I have to be changing my diet this year because, last year was a little bit rough. So, and when we say rough, it means hard. So, I'm going to be changing my diet. I started out with the green juice. I tell you, sometimes the green juice don't really taste so good. It don't taste good at all. Because I just blended some and it really had no taste. It just kind of bittery. And I never really like it. So I ended up putting some sugar in there. I'm not supposed to be putting no sugar in there because it's supposed to be like, just natural. But my word, can't do that to myself. Cannot do it to myself. So I put a little sugar in there. So hopefully I'll be able to drink it. between now and next week. Why Scott laughing? Yeah, man, this green thing, this green juice thing. The other day I did one, but I put orange. I put orange. What else I put in it? I put celery. I put apples, with a whole heap of apple. So it tastes sweet. So this time I think that it was gonna be, it didn't have no taste. It didn't have no taste. It was just like so green. It was just so grassy. Yeah, man, that's what I have to do. It's like me throw it in my mouth and then I have to be like, holding my head back a little. So that way it doesn't really, disturb my taste bud them that much. Yeah, man, may I take it like a pill. Let me say, So I had to put a little sugar in there, and then yeah, it was more like when I give you the bittery what they call it something there again when we used to be younger in Jamaica. They used to give you this thing to deworm you. Yeah, man, and you just take it and put it at the back of your throat and then swallow, make one gulp. That's what I was trying to do, but I had to put a little sugar in there to kind of make it taste a little bit better. So yeah. Thank you, Rajiv. Thank you so much for tuning in. Whatever you're eating and doing, it's right. Your skin is beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really don't do anything extra, except, if you hear my accent, I'm from Jamaica, so I still eat Jamaican food. So I don't know if that is what, yeah, man. I don't know if that is what is contributing to the glow that you guys are seeing. But that's about it. But thank you. I try not to eat a lot of fast food. I try not to eat a lot of fast food. So that's another plus, when it comes on to my diet. But I don't really eat anything out of the norm. Yeah. I don't really eat a lot of like fast food or anything like that. Rajiv says, where are you from? I'm from Jamaica. I'm from Jamaica. Yeah, but I'm in the States right now. So, yeah. Scott says she glow a lot. Yes, Scott, I am glowing. All right, your smile and personality speaks for itself. Thank you so much, Jason. Thank you. Yeah, so that's about it. But I definitely don't eat anything. First of all, I don't do caffeine. Yeah, a lot of persons will tend to ask me, how do I do night shift and don't drink caffeine or anything with caffeine? Yeah, I don't do caffeine. I don't do pork. I don't do bacon. I don't do shrimp. I don't do anything like that. I'll eat my regular parrot fish. And if you know, well, you're not supposed to eat parrot fish because, yeah, then produce the sand. Something like that. So, but when we go to Jamaica, parrot fish is there and I'll have parrot fish and I love my snapper. Yeah, so those are the only two type of fish and goldfish I eat. And what else? I eat from the sea. Yeah, man, I don't really eat anything else from the sea. So all of those fancy stuff. When I was in Maine, they had like lobster, and everybody was like, "Oh my word, you're gonna eat a lot of." I said, "Me, no, sir. I don't eat those things. I don't do caffeine, the bacon." Yeah, when I moved here, I realized that bacon is a part of everything. You order egg, bacon come with it. So that was like a big throw off. And then the other day, I went and ordered a Whataburger sandwich, and it was night. Hi, hello, welcome everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. Double tap on the screen while you're here, and if you're gonna be hopping off, remember to subscribe as well. All right. But the other day I went and tried to buy a Whataburger because I was doing a night shift in this far road place. It was like 4 hours drive. So I was coming off the night and I decided that, I'm very hungry because I was working the entire day and I wanted to just eat late in the evening when I was heading back home. And I don't know who tell me to go ahead and order that Whataburger, but I ordered a chicken sandwich. And when I was in this dark car driving up, I took out my Whataburger sandwich to kind of um, start eating. Thank you so much, Jason, for tuning in. Adapt, I'm from Jamaica. All right. So I take out my Whataburger sandwich to start eating. And when I take out the sandwich, I could just smell this thing. But I wasn't really even paying any attention to it because in the car dark and me I drive. So when you're hungry, you drive and you take out your sandwich and you start there you know, you start eating. And when I look, I could only smell something, but I never really like it. And no. Uh-oh. I never like it. And so when I look at it, I bite something and I realize that it was more of something hard I bite into. And I wasn't so sure what was that. You understand? So anyways, I kind of spit it out and pull over to the side of the road, turn on the light in the car. And when I look, is this stiff piece of bacon in my sandwich, me biting into. So, my entire, like everything just turned because it tastes bad, it smells bad. No disrespect to anybody who eat bacon on here, but I couldn't really understand. I couldn't understand what this thing was all about in terms of like everybody eating bacon. So it was just like this stiff piece of something there. So I just take the sandwich and just literally throw it out. You understand? Because when I said, no, so I can't stomach this anymore, it's like I wanted to throw up because it was just smelling so bad. Me don't know if I rotten or it never cooked properly. I don't know, but it never really have a good scent. But I just end up on a straight, like literally just ditch it because, and then, the Monday morning, because that was the weekend, like I work only 3 days that week. So the Monday morning, when I was heading back down there, I stopped there and I tell them, look, this is my receipt, but for some strange reason, you guys gave me bacon. I need back my money. So, I ended up getting back my money, but I tell you, never again, never again. They put pork in everything. Yeah. They put pork in everything, and you just have to be careful. So when I go to places, I have to be like, I need a chicken sandwich, no bacon, no pork. And if it's a place where I've gone to before and I get, half ripe tomato, I have to say, I need ripe tomato. Yeah, man. I don't want the confusion. I don't want the confusion because, as I say, they put bacon in every single thing. I remember at one point I bought a bacon. Not a bacon, I bought a baked bean. And when I cut the baked bean and I look, I see one little piece of something. I say, when since baked bean come with these things, all to find out baked bean and bacon in the tin. So you have to really look to see exactly, what is in the food that you're buying. Because if you're not a bacon person, for some strange reason, you probably just see baked bean, and then by the time you look, you start cooking it, a strips of bacon that in the food. You understand? So you just have to be careful and look and read. So when I go in the supermarket, I just stick to the same one thing, and that's what I keep on telling people. If I know something and I'm good with it, I just work with it throughout. My hair product is the same thing. I've been using the same thing for how much years now? My body lotion, all of those things, like nothing no change, because if I'm fine with it, why do I need to change it? So when I come up here, if I find a bacon that is vegetarian, it's the same thing I'm eating throughout, because I don't want, don't want to confuse myself and go eat anything else I'm not supposed to eat. Because may I tell you, that wasn't a good experience. But yeah, kudos to the folks who are enjoying their bacon. I always see people, doing bacon on their channels and all. So, but that was it regarding that bacon story. All right. Well, it is 7:30. I want to say thank you so much. I know. Waka Chaka, I loving your channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Really appreciate you taking the time out. Yes, Scott, you will see me over there on that channel, the Mix Up channel. What time is it? It is 7:40. Yeah, so I am okay, you're in Alabama, USA. Okay, nice, nice. I passed through Alabama once when I was driving from Maine to Texas. That was a long trip, and I did enjoy it. I did enjoy it. What time is the live again, Scott? Is it 9 o'clock or hold on there? Let me see. Yes, so people, if you're here, and you're interested in, other channels, there's a channel called at Mix Up Boss. you can check out that channel as well. You know, it's you have a lot of nurses over there and grown adults. All right, you have a lot of grown adults over there, and they have discussions about a lot of things. And there's so much information you'll get when it comes down to like relationships and all. You know, persons talk about different relationships that they've been in and the outcome with some of them. So you can always go ahead and check out that channel when you get a chance. All right. But yeah, I'm gonna run now, and I will see you guys in another live. Remember to go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and check out the other content on my channel. You know, I really appreciate you taking the time out to sneak over, you know. Really do appreciate that. But this is gonna be the end of the live for today until another time. All right. So enjoy your evening, and I will see you in the next video and the next live. All right. And remember to like and share the channel. All right. Thank you so much, Scott, for reminding. All right. Enjoy your evening now, folks.